Monetizing a YouTube channel is not easy. You need to get at least 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. And when you have a small channel, you don't have much traction yet. You don't get that many views yet. So how you gonna achieve it? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Cem and I have been on YouTube since 2019 with 2 channels and both of them are monetized. I know how difficult it can be to reach monetization, so I decided to create this video. Think about YouTube as a game. Every game has rules, and if you want to win the game, you have to follow the rules. But I can't cover all of them in one video. That would be too long, so I write everything down, everything that you need in a checklist. It's completely free. If you download it, you can also join my newsletter, where I share more content for YouTube growth and monetization. All the links are in description. Alright, you have probably heard this before, but it is true. Consistency is key. You need to be okay with the idea of posting a lot of videos. Let's hear what one of the most famous YouTubers in the world, Mr. Beast, says.
Any of you listening, especially if you have 0 videos on your channel, your first video is not going to get views. Period. It's not. Your first 10 are not going to get views. I can very confidently say that. So stop sitting there and thinking for months and months on end and just get to work and start uploading. Like, all you need to do, this applies to people who have not uploaded videos but have dreams of being a YouTuber, is make 100 videos and improve something every time. Do that. And then on your 101st video, we'll start talking, like maybe you can get some views, but your first 100 are going to suck.
This is one of the reasons why some people quit YouTube. They post like 10 videos and they expect to get thousands of views. And when that not happens, then they think like, oh, I am not good enough for YouTube, YouTube is not working for me, and they just give up. Remember, if YouTube were that easy, then anyone would post like 10 videos or 20 videos and they all gonna get rich. So if you are not getting views at the beginning stages, that's completely normal. If you are not growing, please just post more videos. Alright, another important rule you need to follow is having a niche. We see that on many beginner channels, they make the same mistake. They are just posting random content, random videos, hoping that one of their videos take off. One day they post a tech video, another day they post a cooking video, and the next day they post vlog. If you do like that, if you post random videos, that confuses the YouTube algorithm and also your audience. Imagine you posted a tech video and it got so successful and 100 people subscribe to your channel after that specific video. But your next upload is a cooking video which has nothing to do with that tech video. And what the algorithm does when you upload a new video is to show your new video to your subscribers first. And when nobody clicks on your new video, then the algorithm thinks that your video is not interesting enough and it just stops promoting it. And if you keep posting content that has nothing to do with each other, then the algorithm will stop showing your videos even to your subscribers. Even your subscribers is not going to get your video. So this is another most common reasons why channels are not growing. If you are posting random videos that has nothing to do with each other, please stop doing that. You need to pick a niche. It can be in a broader category, that's okay. And start creating content, focus creating content around your niche. Most channels on YouTube have the same problem, which is not getting discovered. Because when you are new on YouTube or when you have a small channel, the algorithm doesn't have enough data yet about your channel. So it doesn't understand who to show your videos to. There is a good solution for that. You need to give the algorithm more information about your video. This is where SEO, search engine optimization, comes in. You need to optimize your video's title and description. Please never leave your descriptions empty to provide more context about your video to the algorithm. The more information you give to the algorithm, the better it can match your videos with the right audience. So please learn SEO as soon as possible and start applying it to your videos. Another important step to grow your channel is to research video ideas. Some topics tend to perform better than others. The video topic plays an important role to get your video discovered, to get more views, and to grow your channel faster. If you want to find great video topics, in this case there are 2 things you can do. The first one is you can experiment with trendy topics in your niche, and the second one is you can try creating search-based videos that people are actually looking for. A good mix of searchable videos and trendy topics can help your channel to grow faster. Those evergreen, those searchable videos, they will build a foundation to your channel that you will get steady views every single day, while the trendy topics can give you short-term boosts in your views. Once you have the right topic, the next thing you need to do is to make sure that people click on your video. This is where your title and your thumbnail comes in. Your title and your thumbnail, they work together to get the clicks. A great title gets more attention from your viewers and increases your clicks. So don't just put random titles in your videos, try to design them in a way that will attract more clicks. And your thumbnail also plays a big role. Your thumbnail should be simple, attention-grabbing, and easy to read. Also make sure to avoid too much text in your thumbnails. Focus on a strong image that is related to your video and put maximum 3 or 4 words. And keep in mind that today people are also watching the videos from their phone, so if you put text in your thumbnail, make sure that they're also readable in smaller screens. Alright, now let's talk about watch time. The algorithm prioritizes videos that keep people watching longer. If your video has a high average view duration, it's more likely to get promoted to a wider audience. If you look at your retention graph on a video, you will see that the majority of people stop watching in the beginning, maybe the first 30 seconds of your video. This thing is happening because people decide at the beginning of your video whether they should stay and keep watching your video or they should leave. So if you can only fix your video's introduction part, the first 30 seconds, more people will tend to stay and they will watch longer, which will increase the average view duration. Then you will increase your videos and your channel's overall watch time, which is also very helpful for the algorithm to push it to more people. Then you will also get more views. So if you have a niche, posting consistently great video topics with fully optimized titles, thumbnails, and with a great average view duration, your channel should start growing faster. But there are so many videos being published on YouTube every single day, and that creates a very high competition. You need to find a way to stand out from this competition. And there are different ways to get views on a video. There are different traffic sources. But if you target the wrong traffic sources, then your video will get outranked because of this competition. So in the next video, we are going to talk about how to get views as a small channel. When I finish recording, I'll put the link here. If you need more tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to download your checklist. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.